guys, welcome back to my channel. I have gone back and forth on whether or not I should go back on YouTube because I have like the podcast and I'm just trying to figure out my niche, trying to figure out, you know, like if I should go on YouTube, if I should stick to the podcast, if I should do both. So I'm just kind of going back and forth, and sometimes I find myself like in the podcast wanting to show you something or wanting to describe something and like show you like the adventure that I took, and I'm like, why am I not vlogging? So I'm back to vlog for the time being, and I'm really excited about it. I don't know where it's gonna take me, but I'm just gonna do it, and I'm just not gonna think too much about it and just do something that I really like always enjoyed doing. So with that being said, welcome back to the vlogs. I literally just decided this like 100% right now, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pull up my vlog camera. You know, I literally just woke up, have my hair in a bun, no makeup on, like I just decided to come back on YouTube. So I hope you guys are gonna stick around for the whole video. They're gonna have a really fun time, and yeah, come along for the ride. One thing I really wanted to show you on my podcast that I wasn't able to show you was this chair. This chair I got from my old job. I worked at the mall for a little bit between jobs, and I have a new job now. But anyway, I was talking to my boss about how I wanted to have something cute in the living room, and I did not know, but she had this delivered to her, and this part was broken. So this part right here was broken, and John like did his magic with some rope, and he did some wood glue and just left it for I think 48 hours on its side, and it totally works. Many people have sat in it. I actually have not sat in it once, but it's just really cute for the living room. And then I added this little pillow. I can't even talk. Anyway, and I really love it. I have my podcast equipment, but anyway, I am sent because that is my son. My Apollo decided to get comfy on this couch, and nobody was paying attention, and now there are scratches all over this leather beautiful little chair. So I'm really upset, and I'm trying to keep calm and carry on. But yeah, welcome to the life of having dogs. So that is upsetting, so I'm gonna put that back right there and cover it. Obsessed. I don't know why I keep calling it couch, it's a chair, but it's from Article, and I can leave a link down below for the chair. And yeah, I'm just absolutely in love. I love the color and light that it brings to my living room, so very excited about it. This is another thing that I wanted to talk about on the podcast recently, but I got these a little while back. These are my Instagram photos of my pictures from when I went to Europe, so I'm really happy with how they came out. I got them on Mixed Tiles. They came out so well. They are really small, so I thought about maybe getting like 4 more right there and then a couple more right there, but I'm just not sure if that's just too many tiles. But yeah, you can download your Instagram photos or any photos from your camera roll and then just get them printed on Mixed Tiles. You can do white, you can do no borders, you can do black like I did. So I love them, and I think they just bring a little life into this living room as well. I think that is the cutest photo of the baby Apollo before he is a troublemaker and ruin my couch. But anyway, so yeah, really cute photos. I may update them like next year or something, but for now I am just very happy with how they turned out. Another big update for our kitchen is this Nespresso machine. I am so excited. John got it for me because he has some points with his work, and he was able to get a really big gift card to Target, so he gifted that to me, which is such a sweet thing. So yeah, we are really happy about the Nespresso machine so far. I had spent so much money on Starbucks, and I just was not feeling well after Starbucks sometimes, because those drinks can be very sugary and not good for you. So I have heard great things about the Nespresso. I had been thinking about it for a long time, and then I got this gift card, so I was like, why not? So we got the Nespresso vertuo. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it's the new version, so really easy to use, and it's also like you can Bluetooth to your phone just to see if your machine is working correctly, and then it comes with a little frother. And I got all of these flavors. So this flavor is one of my favorites. This is, oh my goodness, this is the Columbia. They're really slippery. The Columbia flavor, and they all are recyclable, so it's really nice. They come in a pack of 10, like a sleeve, so it looks like this. And yeah, they come in a pack of 10. John really likes the flavored one, so he got caramel cookie, the vanilla custard pie, and then hazelnut muffin, I think. And then our friends Joanna and Hunter gave us some of these barista creations. This is the iced coffee ones, so we're excited to try those out. And they also gave us this one. This is the peppermint flavored one for John, because he loves the sweet flavored ones. But like I said, I love the Columbia one so far. And then the Audacio, I've only had this once or twice, but it's pretty good. And then my other favorite, which is slowly going away, which is so sad, Malazio, and it is so delicious. It is just like the perfect amount of caffeine and flavor, and yeah, highly recommend this one if you're into coffee but you don't like too much caffeine. This is just a really great flavor of coffee. The Stormio is really good as well. It's a little bit stronger, but super delicious. So I used to have all of like my fruit in this, and now I just decided to put all of the Nespresso pods for the time being. I thought about getting like one of those trays that you can pull out and then organize, but for now, this is what we will have. And yeah, I already made my coffee like you saw, so I'm very happy about it. Adding to my mug collection. I'm sure that John will not be happy about that, but you know, when you get a new coffee maker, you got to get those types of things. Okay, sometimes, but not all the time, we like to order in on a Saturday if we're having like a chill day. So we mostly have a chill day all day until like 5:30. So we wanted to order a late breakfast. We got it from Syrup, so we got some links, some pancakes. What did he get? Oh, biscuits and gravy. So delicious. Some gravy, sausage links, and some pancakes. Delicious. Another add-on to the kitchen was a lot of different silverware. So I got these gold silverware from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I am so happy about them. They're like gorgeous gold to match the aesthetic. Hey guys, we're on our way to Hunter and Joanna's house for a little Halloween movie night. So hopefully we'll be able to watch some scary movies tonight. If not, I know Joanna doesn't really like scary movies according to one of her friends. So I'm just really excited to hang out with her and Hunter. I am surprising them with a apple cider like mimosa type of drink. So I got some champagne and some apple cider. I can show you how to make them. It's really easy. It's basically you're just substituting apple cider for the orange juice. So anyway, then I have this really fun, what is this called?
Pajama set.
Okay.
Blooper reel.
And so after dinner yesterday, I convinced John to go to Target so I can find something to wear to this and something that I can use as a dual purpose for a Halloween party that I'm going to later on this month. So I got this skeleton pajama top and bottom, and it's really festive and cute. Just went to the store in this too.
Yeah.
And kids were like, so we'll see you there. Okay, so we had to go to the store for the Honeycrisp apple cider blend. Apple cider. I'm so excited because we're gonna make those mimosas like I was talking about. So we got all these glasses. Now you just have to put sugar and then pumpkin spice and cinnamon. You can just use cinnamon, but she has pumpkin spice from Trader Joe's.
Like it's older, it's called BG-1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what are you doing?
Just on Sony's website. I know they're still everybody that I ever used for. That'd be such a cool space to have. Like as a teenager.
That's
That's
high
what
school.
we call a
And
charcuterie board.
my
Okay,
parents would
everyone.
they'd be gone for
Charcuterie
months.
board.
Like I had that house to myself.
The apple.
Like most of the roommates to get it too.
What does it taste like?
My buddy
Like a
Austin's gonna
smooth
get it too, so I think between now
One
I've got
might
3 or 4
call
people are
it
gonna
some
get it.
spirit. So I'm just gonna
It's
like.
good.